Okay, so this is our new washing machine. We just filled it to the fill line right there on the side. Some of the reviews say that the water comes out of this little drain tube sometimes, so hey, we had an extra wine cork. We'll put that in there. Now we got clothes going in there. Yeah. Clothes are in. Wow. It's going the other way now. Wow, look at that.
Oh my god, they're really washing.
Yeah. Wow. That's awesome. Yikes. Excellent. The wash is done. Now we're going to drain it. Take the wine cork out. Watch it. Hold it up higher. Yeah, there we go. And we're going to drain the water out. Cool. Okay, so it's done draining. So the tube goes, the wine cork goes back in the tube. It'll go. And then it hangs up back on the side. And then you want to do that. And then we need to put more water in for the rinse. Just keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. Bingo. All right. Excellent. So now we'll close the lid and we'll start the... Excellent. Look at the thing go. Oh my god. That is great. And with the wine cork in there, the water doesn't come out. So look at all the soap. I think we used too much soap.
I think we used too much soap.
That's all right. That's not bad.
That's what a rinse is for.
Yeah, look at that. Wow. That is crazy. Yeah, that's fantastic. So we'll rinse it, and then we'll run it through the spin cycle on the regular machine. Well, that's great. So we'll rinse it, drain it, rinse it, and drain it, and then we'll have clean clothes. So it seems to work fine.